And then it says here, and then we break these two apart. And then we flip them up. Wait, did we flip these up? Let's see. Here. Nope, we don't flip them up. Okay, that's a little weird. Let's see what we did here. Oh, it's these pieces on the side that gets flipped there. Then they're saying turn it like this, and then just slide out his legs from here, which I'm guessing would be his arms. Once you flip it around, which could be a little tricky. And then rotate his legs upward. Actually, just saying, just flip it like this. Bring these two pieces down to form his spike heels. And then just convert into full-on leg motion. Swing these two. Make sure you swing that up and around. I wonder what happened to his little head. Oh, if you push this piece up to his back, his head does pop out. So we'll just square this evenly. Let's see. There's his fist. How is this thing supposed to go? Convert tail mode there. Then they're saying flip it up like this something. Oh, this piece also flips out. Ta-da! Just like that. And we always skip ahead. Oh wait, bit to the headpiece. Just saying, just push. Just make sure these two pieces are interlocked in. Then push on up like that. His legs does feel a little loose in the knee joints. And he is converted to robot mode. And as for the blaster, all the saying is put in his hand, which we're just going to go ahead and do it like this now. Well, this is a little weird. His left hand, you actually gotta rotate the hand. Okay, so like pretend this is his left hand. Instead of holding the shield this way, you actually gotta turn it upside down for him to hold his ion blaster. And this guy with the ion blaster makes him really top heavy. Push that button. Let's see what it's saying here. Okay, we push this forward, and there's his ion blaster. Which sometimes needs some help. So now the thing won't stay for some reason. But yeah, that's pretty much my review on AiR. Remember to rate, subscribe, and leave a comment. Alright, thanks. Bye.